but they overexpressed that acyl carrier protein, so that scaffold that the fats get built on. And they actually found that overexpressing that acyl carrier protein was protective against high-fat diet-induced insulin resistance and obesity. And I believe they also showed that in another study, it was cardioprotective and enhanced mitochondrial function. And so cardioprotective, they were looking at cardiac injuries like after a heart attack, and they showed that it was protective in that scenario.
And so, at a very, very high level, what I would start to think about here, just hearing this stuff, is that, okay, so if the synthesis of these fatty acids in the mitochondria is important for the proper assembly and therefore the proper functioning of the electron transport chain, and a lot of stuff is going to break if the cell can't make ATP the proper way, if the electron transport chain isn't functioning properly. Maybe the things that disrupt that, such as certain diets or other factors that can lead to problems for animals, somehow overexpressing these carrier proteins that are part of this fatty acid synthesis pathway within the mitochondria is somehow protecting animals from that. Maybe it's enabling the electron transport chain to be just a little bit more resilient to these insults that would otherwise start to break it.